What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in Kentucky at Kellen's house. You guys know we love Kellen. He is our national sales director here at Dreamedia, and he has been working on this killer home theater right here next to me with Focal Utopia speakers, which I have not heard yet. You guys know I put out a video on the 1000 series, which were very impressive. Well, this is the 1000 series Utopia speakers in here, and he's doing a 9.2.6 Dolby Atmos configuration. We got the JVC RS3000, we got the Stewart screen right here, we got Chris, that home theater dude, in the house. And we got our rack. They're working on tweaking things right now. Check it out, guys. Little teaser for you. Audio control, RTJ, all the goods. Anyways, we're working on getting it set up right now. In just a moment, guys, I'm gonna take you into this room right here and just give you a quick walkthrough before we start on things like acoustics from Acoustics. So that'll be a separate video, guys, and we're gonna wrap this up, help Kellen get finished with this project, and do some demos for you guys later today. So if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, guys, make sure to reach out and show your support. You know that we're home theater geeks, guys. We love this stuff, and we would love the opportunity to create your dream home theater with a free consultation service, guys. All right, well, if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. Let's get into it. Okay, things got a little crazy there during the calibration, so I had to step over around the bend there, guys. But I'm gonna take you into this space right here and show you the current progress. Kellen has been working on this room tirelessly. In addition to working with you guys every single day, helping create your dream home theater, he's been working on his own dream home theater. So let's get in here and check it out. Kellen, you wanna walk him through and show him where you're at right now?
Yes, sir. Let me get everything hooked up here. Hey guys, how's it going? So, yeah, I've been working on this theater for about 3 or 4 months now. But pretty much everything from top to bottom has been done by me and my family. We subcontracted some of the trim work and some of the painting, but for the most part, me, my uncle, and my dad have been knocking this out. We've been pretty much documenting the whole thing, the choices that we've made, how we laid it out, obviously the speakers that we chose, how to install the pre-construction brackets. So kind of wanted to get closer to the end. That way you can follow along this whole journey on our channel. But take a look around. I mean, we have some sconces on the wall. They're all controllable through my phone to change the colors. We have a pretty sweet design in the back that's also, you know, light controlled as well. Change the colors, anything you want to. But overall, the space is 18 by 24 with 12-foot ceilings. And as Zach has mentioned, you know, we're running a 9.2.6 Focal 1000 series through all speakers, RTJ subs. We have 2 of those, and
those are going to be up here at the front of the room.
Yeah, so they're behind, you know, behind the wall, but then you have this grill right here, kind of lets the sub play through it, and then obviously the speaker grills can go over the speakers as well, but just to kind of show them off a little bit.
They're just so beautiful. Yeah.
So yeah, I think Chris and I are about to get started putting the screen together. So it's gonna be a pretty sweet setup.
Hey, you guys like that black diamond?
It's looking good,
This
man.
that new invisible black diamond. Yeah.
What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, huh? So Kellen's been working on this for a while, and he's really nearing the end. So me and Chris were like, we're just gonna fly out there and help him knock it out so that he can get back to helping you guys with building your dream home theaters. I cannot wait personally to hear these utopias. Like I said in the intro, it got kind of loud, but the 1000 series LCRs, I actually did a demo for one of my customers up in Colorado the other day, and I was really impressed as well as he was. But these utopias, I mean, they're just insane, guys. I mean, let me show you a close up again. Kellen was kind of talking earlier. Look at these bad boys. I mean, this is serious equipment. Absolutely beautiful. Got that beryllium inverted dome tweeter. I mean, clean highs. And these are actually a modular design, guys, so you can add in woofers, top or bottom or both, to also build up your front sound stage. And you can add woofers to these as well if you wanted to take it to the next level. But the configuration that he's doing here is a 9.2.6, and we're using the audio control X9 to process everything with audio control separates. So this is gonna be exciting, guys. We're gonna be here all day shooting content for you. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, even if it's not these manufacturers here, more than likely we have it, guys. We carry all the industry leading manufacturers, and we ship throughout the entire nation with a, something's going on here. We got the dude in the house. But yeah, we ship throughout the whole country, guys, and you know that we have an extensive preferred installer network as well that can help you guys with implementing these systems if you're not DIYing it. But this whole series that Kellen's been doing for you guys, showing you the build out, he took tons of pictures, and just he has a lot of knowledge that he can share with you guys through his experience building out this room to help you with your new project. So I thought it was a really unique opportunity that we have here to build this room out and help you guys out at the same time. Anyways, enough talking, guys. You want to purchase, reach out today, utilize our free consultation service, and if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.